So in this video, I'll show you how to play music while recording video on your iPhone. So if you want to record a video with which music you are currently playing on your iPhone, here's how to do it. First of all, make sure to play the music on your iPhone background. So let's play the music. So here, as you can see, my background music is playing. Now to record a video, just go to camera app and now select video. Now all you have to need, start your video recording just like so. And now I'm going to stop recording and pausing my music. Now going to Photos app and opening the video. And here, as you can see, and now I'm going to stop recording. Start your video recording. I've successfully recorded a video with my iPhone music.